I think I found the best place to eat in Jamaica, y'all. I think I found the best place to eat in Jamaica. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Welcome back to SouFLoTV. Obviously, in this video right here, you can see we're in Jamaica once again, right? This is Westmoreland, as the big old sign says, welcome to Westmoreland. This is Border Jerk, the name of this place. You see the telephone number of the place as well. Pork, chicken, fish. They have some wicked soup here. Let me tell you right now, if you step foot on the island of Jamaica, and no, these people didn't ask me to do any promotions for them, I'm telling you that if you step foot on the island of Jamaica, you owe it to yourself to find your way to this location right here. And I would put money on it that you will not find food better than the food that they have here. You know, being a Jamaican myself, but living outside of Jamaica for so many years, Jamaica is like a special gem. It's like every time we go back to Jamaica, we discover something new. There's another side of Westmoreland called Border, which borders St. Elizabeth. This is the other side of Border. This ain't the St. Elizabeth border side. And they have food on that side as well. Some wicked food. But this right here, please trust and believe when I tell you, this is the food spot. Now, as far as this video goes right here, I wish I could let all the sound be heard because, you know, it take away the authenticity from it. There was some nice Afrobeats music playing in the background actually. And, you know, me, wifey, and the kids, we pulled up to get some food because we travel with my belly anytime we're in Jamaica. And we eat everywhere. It's our way of supporting local vendors and entrepreneurship and pumping some money back into the economy. But at the same time, it's just about the island ambience, you know, go for a long drive, discover some new places, eat some fresh, good food, and these kind of things. Right now, the kids are arguing with each other. They're playing. They're enjoying each other's company. But I can't let you hear everything because the copyright infringement, we will be hit with those. And you understand when a people music in the background, the artists them want them money. So we can't just let the thing play with them music I play tonight. Right? So I'm just talk through it. But enjoy the rest of the video. And thank you for watching.
Yeah.
So just like this side where we see split floor pan the next side too. 2 room, 1 bathroom in Jamaica, and then the living room, dining room and kitchen at the back. And then downstairs our next room with bathroom and dining here and the veranda. I go look on the one downstairs and I go look on the other grave. Yeah.
It's going to be birthday.
Mommy say if nothing happened to her, fling Raheem down there.
So.
Yeah. I feel him part that.
No,
I saw.
Setting it up.
Mommy, look.
What? It's a hotel.
Huh? What, down the whole hotel? And do you have a pool?
I don't think so.
Do you have the beach?
Oh yeah.
Mommy.
That's our type of house.
Mommy, are we going to the place back where we just went to?
We're yes. Yep. Yep.
Mom, what kind of place is it?
The same place that you were staying.
I want to stay there.
Relax.
Enjoy. I better say when they go home, they must start complaining about they want to go back.
Man, move your ass, man.
Huh? Mommy?
Trucks and records, right? So.
In 250 meters on Sunset Boulevard, we're going to be making a right.
All by myself. Good.
meters, turn right onto Sunset Boulevard.
Watch out. Yeah, let them out. Yeah. Watch out. Sir. Move your back that out of the way, man.
I mind people business.
Instead of minding your own.
Still minding your own.
Take the next right onto Sunset Boulevard.
That's right.
Right, that's all.
That's all.
Continue on Sunset Boulevard for 1 kilometer. Exit onto A1.
Second.
That the first one, the second one,
Is that first one?
second one.
Okay.
Mommy,
Exit the roundabout onto A1.
Mommy, do you know the our new Finance Freddy's new animatronic?
Continue for 80 kilometers.
That it's Fazbear, Golden Fazbear, Freddy, and Golden Bonnie.
Oh, yeah?
They're real.
You're just building new characters, so you guys can have something else to ask for Christmas. Whenever else. When you buy it for 80 kilometers.
80.
One stretch until we reach out.
Thank you for watching the complete video. We've come to an end. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We took some pictures while we were in Jamaica, so enjoy the rest of the video in pictures, traveling Jamaica through some beautiful pictures. Get back to Jamaica soon. Jamaica is changing fast, and you're missing everything. I'm out. Peace.
We'll be right back.